Hey future pilots, welcome to another video from Pilot Training Institute. Today we'll cover the most underrated topic in navigation, variation. If you think you understand this topic well, trust me, after this video, you'll be able to score that extra 5 to 10% in your DGCA exam. So stay tuned. So today we'll talk about variation. What is variation? Why it is important for pilots, tips and tricks to ace your DGCA exams, and simplify DGCA numericals. Now, we know that we have a true north. Remember, this is on top of the earth and it's a fixed point. Remember it like this. T stands for true north on top of the earth and it's a fixed point. Now just say एक spinning top उसके axis of rotation पे spin करता है, वैसे ही earth की एक axis of rotation है और वो true north से है. तो हमें true north को क्यों समझना है? Because all your aeronautical charts and maps are oriented to true north. Remember, your true north is a fixed point. Let us now talk about our moving magnetic pole. So, तुम्हें पता तो होगा, if you go for tracking, हम मैग्नेटिक कंपास का यूज करते हैं टू फाइंड आवर मैग्नेटिक नॉर्थ. इमेजिन करो कि अर्थ के अंदर एक हिडन बार मैग्नेट है और इस बार मैग्नेट के दो पोल्स हैं. मैग्नेटिक कंपास इसी पोल्स को डिटेक्ट करता है, लेकिन ये मैग्नेटिक पोल्स तुम्हारे ट्रू नॉर्थ की तरह एक फिक्स पॉइंट नहीं है, इसीलिए हम इसे मूविंग मैग्नेटिक पोल बोलते हैं. तो लेकिन इसमें वेरिएशन की बात कहाँ से आई? So, your true north and magnetic north are not aligned. The difference between your true north and magnetic north is known as variation. This is also called as magnetic declination. Now, talking about this variation, you have two kinds of variation, either easterly or a westerly variation. And this completely depends on your location of the earth. So now let us understand what this westerly or easterly variation looks like. Now, with a westerly variation, your magnetic north is to the west of your true north. Now let us understand this better with a diagram. We'll first see the top view. Here you can see our true north, and with a westerly variation, your magnetic north will be to the west of your true north. So here is your magnetic north. Now, if I show you the front view and point you out the true north, can you guess which side would your magnetic north would be with respect to your true north? Towards right or towards left? That is correct, towards the left. Now, we'll simplify it better. Let us draw a linear diagram. This white arrow represents your track, and this is your true north. Now, with respect to true north, can you guess which side would your magnetic north would be with the westerly variation? Will it be on the right or on the left? That is correct, towards the left. Now, can you draw the same top view, front view, and a linear diagram for an easterly variation, and then cross-check your diagram with the one on the screen. अब अगर DGCA में से questions आ गए, so what will you do? Do we have a formula for this? Of course we do. So the formula is true track plus or minus variation will give your magnetic track. So how will you know whether to add or subtract? So if it's east, subtract, and if it's west, add it. Do we have a simple mnemonics to remember this? Of course we do. East is least and west is best. Now, let us discuss a DGCA sample question. Here we have a true track of 090 with a variation as 5 degrees east. Yaad hai na? East is least and west is best. So simply subtract 5 degrees from 90 and you got 85 as your magnetic. Easy, right? Now let's solve another question. Here your true track is 270 and variation is 10 degrees west. तो क्या आंसर आया? Your magnetic track should be 280. Why? Cause west में add करना होता है. अब हमें ये तो पता चल गया कि कब add करना है और कब subtract करना है. लेकिन ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि अभी तुम्हारी लोकेशन पे कितना वेरिएशन है? सिंपल, तुम्हारे मैप्स और चार्ट्स पे तुम्हें एक लाइन दिखेगी. इस लाइन को हम आइसोगोनल लाइंस बुलाते हैं. रिमेंबर, आइसो मीन्स सेम. सो अलोंग दिस लाइन योर वेरिएशन विल बी इक्वल. वैसे ही एक और लाइन होती है, इसे हम एगोनिक लाइन बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे वेरिएशन 0 होता है. तो एगोनिक लाइन कहाँ होती है? जब तुम्हारा magnetic north is neither to the east or west of your true north, that's when your variation is 0. Remember this agonic line like this. A gone means your variation is gone here. Now we have already learned कि agonic line पे हमारा variation 0 होता है. But what if you are in between those two poles? At that point your variation will be 180. Do we really need this variation? Of course we do. That's why pilot learned this. So first, for this, you will need a navigation plotter. You'll need your maps and charts. Now, draw a line between 2 points. Align the arrow of your plotter to the true north. After that, read off the track from the side of your plotter. Now, find the nearest isogon. Apply east is least and west is best to your true track, and voila, there you have your magnetic track to your destination. And there you have it, the core concept of variation simplified for DGCA exam. Make sure you master this and do not forget to download our free comprehensive notes and test your knowledge with our sample DGCA questions given in the description below. And if you have any doubt, feel free to comment us in the box down. Like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.